guys, welcome back to Craft It Up. On the previous video you learned how to make a single crochet, and in this video you'll learn how to make a half double crochet. The half double crochet is a little bit taller than the single crochet but shorter than the double crochet, and it gives a tighter and smaller finish than the double crochet, like less of a gap between stitches. And it also makes you work faster than the single crochet does. Okay, so let's get started. In order to get started, I'm going to show you, I have my foundation row right here. It has 20 chains. It really doesn't matter for this practice how long your foundation row is. Okay, mine is 20 chains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over, and you are going to insert your hook in the chain next to where your hook is, okay? So if you see right here, your hook is coming out of this one right here. So you're going to insert your hook in the next one, which is this one. All right, so yarn over, insert your hook. You'll have 3 loops right here. Yarn over again. Pull through, and you'll have 3 loops again. Now you're going to yarn over again and pull through the 3 loops. Okay. And you have your first half double crochet right there. Now you're going to yarn over again, insert your hook in the next chain, pull through 3 loops again, yarn over, and pull through the 3 loops. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through the 3 loops. Okay, the extra yarn over is the one that makes this stitch a little bit taller than the single crochet one. Okay, so let's do that again. Yarn over, insert in the next chain, pull through, yarn over, and pull through the 3 loops. All right, so go ahead and finish this row, and then I'll tell you how to turn your work around and begin the new row of half double crochets. Alright, so I've gotten to the end of my row and I'm just missing 1 half double crochet, but I'd like to point out that you always have to make sure that you do your last stitch on your last chain, because this chain right here usually gets lost. Okay, it's very tricky to see, the one that's right next to the slip knot, okay, but it's right there. Okay, so don't miss it. I'm going to make this last half double crochet, inserting my hook in that last chain. And we finished that row. All right, so we are going to turn our work over, but before we do so, we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and we are going to turn it over. Now this can be tricky for if you're beginning to crochet. I know it was very tricky for me at the beginning. This chain right here is called your turning chain, okay? And these 2 chains are going to count as your half double crochet. So you are not going to insert your hook in this chain right here. all right, in the third one. Because if you do so, it's just going to add another half double crochet to your row. So it's going to increase your work. Every time you do that, if you do it in every single row, it'll just go like every single time open, getting wider. All right, so you don't want to do that. You're going to insert your hook in the fourth chain from your hook, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth chain, which is this one, okay? So not this one, this one. All right, we're going to do the same thing. Yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook right here, not right here. Insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, and pull through the 3 loops. The next chain, and pull through the 3 loops. And keep practicing and doing your rows with your half double crochet. And in the next video, you'll learn how to make a double crochet. So please keep watching for more videos from Crafted Up. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.